Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get Microsoft Excel for free. Let's get started. On your PC, open your browser and go to the website office.com. Make sure to sign it with your Microsoft account. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you can simply create it by clicking on create. As I already created a Microsoft account, so I will not show you that how to create a Microsoft account. After signing in with your Microsoft account on office.com, you will see an interface like this, and here is the list of apps that you have. So today we will just focus on Microsoft Excel, and I will simply click on it, and here it will start loading your Microsoft Excel page. Here I can create a blank workbook, or I can upload a file previously on which I was working. Here you can also choose templates which you want, and your files will appear here when you save them. So I will simply click on a blank document, and it will started creating a blank document. And here you will have the Microsoft Excel, and here I can type in values. I can also use the Excel functions on them, and whatever you want, and you can use it for free. It has the same functionality does the Office offline app offers. There is insert, share, page layout, formulas, and you are familiar with these options as well. It's totally free and easy to use. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.